Hi and welcome to BTMsoft. Here we will show you how to add direct benefits. Click Staff, Payroll, Settings, Direct Benefits. Here you see a list of default items added by us. Click on Item to edit. Click New Direct Benefit to add item. Enter name. Base for calculation is a method of calculating the rate that will appear in payroll. Employee rate multiplies payment base rate by the factor calculation amount. Set value will simply add this amount as a rate. Value rounding is an indication on how precise you wish the value on payroll to be calculated in decimal points. Debit and credit account indicate how this item will appear on your financial reports. Debit account is copied into payroll, so changing this item later will update only future records. Credit account is taken directly from here, so changing it will affect all past records as well. Unit name will appear on certain reports. Unit rounding is an indication of how precise you want the calculated employee rate amount to be in decimal point. You can only add active items to payroll. Save item before you can select items that are dependent on this direct benefit. Selected items will be calculated on this item. Go to support.btmsoft.com for thorough description and samples. Thank you.